Looking to analyze your product sales and stay on top of your business trends? Ordoro makes it easy to export detailed sales reports by SKU. Here's how to do it step by step. If you're looking for a sales report for your products, you can generate it in either the Orders tab or the Products tab. In the Orders tab, make sure you haven't selected any orders. Click on Actions, then choose Export Sales by SKU. In the Products tab, click Other Actions and select Export Sales by SKU. If you want the report emailed, enter the email address where you'd like it sent. Next, choose the date constraint, either ordered date, which filters by when the order was placed, or shipped date, which filters by when the order was shipped. Then, set the specific date range for your report. By default, it's set to the last 30 days. You can also select the time zone you'd like to use. This will default to your computer's current time zone. Double-check these settings to make sure your report covers the exact time frame you need. If you want products grouped by their sales channel, check the box labeled Group Products by Sales Channel. This can help you organize your data for better insights. Once your selections are set, click Export. You can monitor the progress in the Activity menu under Exports. Once the report is ready, download it to review. In the report, you'll find key details such as units sold direct, units sold via kit, total sold units, total orders sold, and dropshipped order quantities, all neatly organized for easy analysis. And there you go. Getting the insights you need is quick and straightforward. Use these reports to make smarter decisions and keep your business moving forward.